In this lesson, we are going to read through the Making Doner Kebabs topic in the Template Food Control Plan. This is one of the teal-colored cards in the Specialist section of the plan and is page number 129. What do you need to know? Raw doner kebab meat may contain bugs, which can contaminate ready-to-eat food. You need to cook meat thoroughly to kill bugs. You can only slice meat from the doner kebab that has been thoroughly cooked. What do you need to do? Preparing a kebab spit. Only use fresh meat from a trusted supplier. Store meat below 5 degrees Celsius until needed. Prepare spits away from areas where salads, dips, sauces and cooked food is kept. Only use thin cuts of meat when forming the spit. Protect prepared spits from dirt and other contamination. The length of the formed block of meat must not be longer than the length of the burners. Cooking and serving. Doner kebab cooked on a vertical grill must be cooked before serving. The outside of the doner kebab must be thoroughly cooked before thin slices of meat are shaved from the outside surface. Shaved meat must be collected before falling into the drip tray. Heating elements must be kept on and not turned down when the doner kebab starts cooking. When minced meat spits are cooked from frozen, shaved meat must undergo further cooking on a griddle or hot plate prior to use. Any shaved meat that has not been cooked thoroughly must be further cooked by using a hot plate or grill. If the doner kebab has not been completely used at the end of service, you must throw it away or carve off any partly cooked meat from the skewer. Cook thin slices on the grill or hot plate. Cool the cooked shaved meat, cover it and store in the fridge. The next day it may be reheated and served. Cooked meat that remains on the spit must be cooled. Follow the cooling freshly cooked food card. What do you need to show? Show or describe to your verifier how you and your staff cool hot food quickly. How you know the food you reheated was above 75 degrees Celsius. How you and your staff keep food hot. How you and your staff measure temperature. Show your verifier a written record of how you and your staff safely cooked the meat, including the food, the date cooked.